Mr. Greco, welcome back. Good to have you with us. Part of the reason for the numbers was comps, wasn't it? I mean, you had a tremendous first quarter in 2021 as the economy bounced back.
Yeah, well, good afternoon, Tyler, and thanks for having me. We comped on top of about a 25 comp last year. We knew the first quarter was going to be our most challenging of the year. And we're really pleased that we're able to affirm our full year guidance at a time that's been pretty volatile for broader retail. And embedded in there is comp sales growth for the full year. We just had our 8th consecutive quarter of comp sales growth. We guided to margin expansion. There's very few retailers out there that are doing that. And then continuing our track record of substantial cash returns to our shareholders. We returned over $400 million to shareholders in the first quarter. So in the current environment, being able to pop a double-digit EPS year in 2022 on top of 48% growth last year puts us in pretty rare air as far as retailers.
Yeah, the comp sales growth was small, but it was growth as you point out. Let's talk a little bit about margins because that is on every CEO's list these days. How are they being affected by rising costs of materials, of wholesale goods, of labor? And how have you been able to maintain or even expand margins, as you say you plan to do?
Yeah, well, it certainly is a unique environment, and you heard it from your previous guest. I mean, we're fortunate that we have a number of initiatives inside of our company that not only mitigates the inflation that we're seeing, but actually enable us to cover that and actually grow our margins. And it's everything from expanding our own brands. Really excited about our own brands that we have in advance. We have DieHard, we have CarQuest. Yesterday, we announced a first to market, the very first automotive company in the world to have a hybrid electric 12-volt battery that's optimized for electric vehicles. I mean, every electric vehicle, of course, has a lithium battery, but they also have a 12-volt battery. And now we've got a product under the DieHard brand that nobody else will have. So we have a number of initiatives that we have that enable us to grow our margins in spite of the inflationary pressures that we're seeing.
Yeah, I'll confess, Tom, I can't quite understand a world in which the home builders are trading at 4 times forward earnings and the sales are dropping, at least in home sales. And yet the auto stocks, you guys have this kind of upbeat reaction. And yet Best Buy and some of the others, I just can't quite figure this one out. I can't figure out what it's telling us about the consumer, about the durable goods cycle, about the strength of the economy. It feels like every sector and every data point we turn to has something completely different going on.
It's a great question, Kelly. I mean, we're fortunate that we operate in a great industry. I mean, I think you referenced the broader shift that we saw during COVID from essentially experiences to goods. And there was clearly some companies that benefited from that disproportionately. And then there were some that were adversely impacted, a hotel, an airline, a restaurant. We were neither of the two. We were sort of in the middle. And because of that, as the shift from goods back to experiences occurs, we still are going to be able to grow. And that's why it's a great industry and a very resilient one at times like this.